The Sony FX3 II. Yeah, that's the one everyone's buzzing about. Rumored to be the successor to the already killer FX3, this new camera is shaping up to be a serious contender in the cinema camera world. We're talking advanced video features, maybe even a replacement for the beloved A7S III. So, is this the ultimate hybrid cinema camera? Today we're diving deep into the leaks and rumors surrounding the Sony FX3 II. Is this the camera that's going to redefine hybrid video production? Let's find out. First off, the global shutter. Yeah, that's the big one. Rumored to be a key feature, eliminating the notorious rolling shutter effect, crucial for fast-moving objects, quick pans, no more skewing, no more wobbling. This could be a game-changer for professional video applications, bridging the gap between Sony's FX line and the high-end Venice cinema camera, handling fast-moving scenes with pristine clarity. That's what we're talking about. Now the sensor. 24 megapixels, not pushing for crazy resolutions. Instead, optimizing for video, particularly 4K recording. Some might want more megapixels, but this is a strategic choice. Capturing more light, better low-light performance, perfect balance for video shooting. Refined approach to video production. Excelling in 4K recording, especially with 180 FPS capability, maybe even 6K or 8K options like the FX6. Flexibility for cropping and reframing in post. And here's where things get really interesting. Sony's new camera code, WW293541, and a technical document from November 2023. 4K video at a groundbreaking 240 FPS. High frame rate at 4K. Leading the video camera market. High bit rates, 480 megapixels for 4.2 RAW, 800 megapixels for 4.2. Achievable with CF Express Type A and V90 SD cards. Storage and data handling, not a limiting factor. Slowing down action shots for dramatic effect. 240 FPS at 4K, capturing even the fastest movements with stunning detail. Essential tool for various high-end productions. And let's not forget 4K at 180 FPS, even more versatile for dynamic filming. Fanless design, inherited from the FX3, silent operation. Crucial for controlled environments, on-set audio quality, pristine video without fan noise. Documentary filmmakers, wedding videographers, intimate settings, invaluable tools. Optional EVF accessory, like the FX3, no built-in EVF, attaching to the hot shoe. Some might be disappointed, but it's all about flexibility. Customizing your setup. Precise control for videographers who need it. Compact form factor. And here's the big question. Could it replace the A7S III? The go-to choice for video-centric Alpha series users. FX3 success, anticipated FX3 II features, consolidating offerings. FX3 II, go-to choice for high-end video production and hybrid workflows. A7S III and FX3, many similarities. 12 megapixel full-frame sensor, Bion ZXR processor, 5-axis IBIS, fully articulated screen. Key difference, design philosophy. A7S III, traditional mirrorless design, integrated EVF. FX3, compact, minimalist, focused on video production. Common critique, lack of internal RAW recording. Potential feature for the FX3 II. External recorders, 16-bit RAW output. Internal capability, streamlining workflow. High-end commercial, cinematic productions. Highest quality footage, flexibility in post-production, color grading, dynamic range. FX3 II and its potential to replace the A7S III. Debate about the future of Sony's camera lineup. Features previously reserved for high-end cinema cameras, positioning the cinema line as the future of professional video production. End of the A7S series? Unified approach to video-centric mirrorless cameras. Specialized tools for specific needs. FX3 II, perfect solution for videographers. Cutting-edge performance, no compromising flexibility. With the Sony FX3 II's release approaching, it looks set to transform video production. Global shutter, fanless operation. Essential tool for filmmakers. Combining FX line video capabilities with Alpha series versatility. Go-to camera for all types of projects. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates.